Welcome to Entrepreneur Startup Stories. Today we are going to see a short story about Muniba Mazari Balak. Also, kindly take up this time to subscribe to us and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Never miss an update from the Entrepreneur Startup Stories YouTube channel. So, without much ado, let's begin. Muniba Mazari Balak, also known as the Iron Lady of Pakistan, is a Pakistani activist, anchor, artist, model, singer, and motivational speaker. She became the national ambassador for UN Women Pakistan after being shortlisted in the 100 Inspirational Women of 2015 by BBC. Mazari is also Pakistan's first model and anchor who uses a wheelchair. She uses a wheelchair due to injuries sustained in a car accident at the age of 21. She appeared as a host on Hum News social show Main Nahi Hum. Personal life. Muniba Mazari is of Balak background, belonging to the tribe of Mazari. She was born in Rahim Yar Khan in southern Punjab on 3rd March 1987. She has two younger brothers. Muniba went to the Army Public School and later attended the college in her hometown. At the age of 18, before she could complete her studies, she was married to Khurram Shahzad, a former Pakistan Air Force pilot. In 2008, the couple was involved in an accident which left Muniba paraplegic. The marriage did not last. The couple got separated in August 2014 and eventually divorced in 2015. In 2017, her husband sued her for PKR 10 million on accounts of defamation, and the case got dismissed in January 2018. The turning event. In the year 2005, Muniba was heading towards her hometown when she met a dreadful accident that made her paraplegic for her entire life. Her husband fell asleep while driving the vehicle which caused the accident. Muniba got seriously injured and was unable to feel her legs. She was carried in a jeep as there was no ambulance available in that part of the city. She had to stay in a hospital bed for the entire 2 years. Then she got moved to a wheelchair which was her companion for the rest of her life. Such an event can destroy any person both physically and mentally, but she holds on to her spirit and became an inspiration for others. Because of encouragement by doctors, she started her old passion, painting. Her brother Omar supported her a lot during her days in the hospital. She still remembers Salman Taseer, ex-governor of Punjab, as he bought all her paintings to motivate her. She didn't blame others for all these events, but became a source of positive energy for others. Motivational talks. Muniba started motivating people through the platform of TED. Her speeches are very much impressive and inspiring because they relate to her real experiences. She believes that although how many restrictions are there, your soul must be free. Freedom of the soul helps us to overcome all fears and let the heart shine and dream. She emphasizes that mere breathing and being alive every morning is a great blessing for which we must be thankful for and make it useful. Muniba has given motivational talks on various platforms like TEDx, Entrepreneurs Organization, Young Presidents Organization, Youth Entrepreneur Organization at the Youth Alumni Reunion 2014, Global Leadership Conference 2016, VCon Malaysia 2017, Leadership Summit Pakistan. She has also given a motivational speech at Army Public School, Peshawar, and Combined Military Hospital, Peshawar, and at Bank Al-Falah Training Center, Lahore. She is the Pakistan's first Goodwill Ambassador for UN Women and is also the anchor person of Pakistan's national television Week on UAE 2017. Muniba got invited as a guest to Women Entrepreneurship Day at the National University of Science and Technology Business School. Her speech: I believe in the power of words. Many people speak before they think, but I know the value of words. Words can make you, break you, they can heal your soul, they can damage you forever. So I always try to use positive words in my life. Wherever I go, they call it adversity. I call it opportunity. They call it a weakness. I call it strength. They call me disabled. I call myself differently abled. They see my disability. I see my ability. There are some incidents that happened in your life, and those incidents are so strong that they change your DNA. Those incidents and accidents are so strong that they break you physically, they deform your body, but they transform your soul. Those incidents break you, deform you, but they mold you into the best version of you. And the same thing happened to me. Achievements. Muniba has proved her worth in countless ways. She is an excellent painter. She is a motivational speaker. She is a social activist. She is a beautiful model. She is a TV anchor person. She is an excellent singer. Muniba is among the Pond's Miracle Women. She is the brand ambassador of Body Shop and Chuk Thai Lab. She also did modeling for Toni and Guy. Muniba Mazari has established her own brand known as Muniba's Canvas. The slogan of her brand is "Let your walls wear colors." Her net worth is approximately 1 million to 3 million USD. Awards. Muniba included in the BBC's Top 100 Women for 2015. She received the Laurels Honor Award 2015 by WCCI Lahore Division. She was presented by the Shaheen Award 2015 by NPC as the Young Motivational Speaker. She also made it to the Forbes 30 Under 30 list for 2016 in Media and Marketing category. In 15th December 2017, Mazari was awarded with the Go Excellence Trainer Certificate by Canada Global Consulting and Training Center Limited. She was presented by the Humanitarian Prize by the Kark Brothers Award 2017 in Belgrade, Serbia.